Morning, everybody. So today I would normally be doing like tractor pulls and going to those, videoing them and whatnot, but I have a little routine maintenance to do on the vehicles. This is a 07 Dodge 5.9 Cummins, and the wife's rig is a 2014 Kia Soul hamster wagon. So on the Dodge, I got to do the oil, transmission oil filter, got a sample bottle there. I always run these Fleet Guard Stratapore filters. They've seemed to done pretty good for me. The Soul oil change, now don't give me slack about that. It works. I haven't had an issue yet. It is what it is. Tail light bulbs, and of course these ridiculously priced spark plugs, like 12 bucks a piece. Ridiculous. So I don't know how much of this I'll get done today. It's supposed to rain at some point. I don't know when, but tomorrow is our tractor pull, so I figured I better get this stuff done while I could. So get this on the ramps and we will go from there. So I already have I let the truck run for 10 or 15 minutes, so the fluid should be able to be dropped pretty quickly, so hopefully it's warm enough. While I'm doing that, while it's draining, I'll go ahead and jump over there. So all right, let's get started. All right guys, so I completely already messed up. Shaky video, and when I thought I had it on play, it wasn't on play. So I basically missed everything under the truck, me draining the oil and all that stuff, and I completely missed the spark plug change on the car. So I don't know why that happened, but it is what it is. So I got the plugs out. I'll do a little recap. They don't look that bad, you know. For 110,000 miles you'd think they'd be fried and melted and everything, but so I got the new ones in. Pull the 4 10mm bolts out, pull all the coils. The spark plugs are pretty far down in there, so once you get all the threads out, I mean, they got quite a bit of thread, as you saw. You have to use a magnet to pull them up out of there. Put anti-seize on them and stick them back in there. I run them down with the drill just to seat them, and then I torqued them with the regular ratchet. But put all of it back together. We're gonna fire it up, make sure everything's good. Grab the keys here. See if she purrs. So listen to that beast. I guess it did what I was supposed to do, so I guess I'll throw the cover back on there real quick. Figure out how to get that dang thing on there. Seems like it's running a little smoother, but I guess next I will go ahead and change the oil filter on the truck and get all that done, and we'll figure out what we're going to do next. Hopefully, it looks like the sun's finally coming out a little bit, so we should have plenty of time to get it all done. So by the way, I'm still clean, so we're good. All right, guys, well, it looks like I'm gonna be running out of time soon. It's starting to get cloudy again, so I'm gonna wrap this up. Probably won't get the transmission oil changed today or the car done today, so I'll have to do that at a later date. But I got the oil back in. I'm about to back it off the ramps, and I guess it can rain after that. So if you like this video, or it helped pass time, whichever way, leave it a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you tomorrow, because we'll be at the tractor pull, Columbus, Kansas at 1 p.m. so we'll see y'all there. Thanks for watching.